In this lesson, we're going to be making the buttons that we set up in the previous lesson and making them interactive. So we've got the buttons within the code. Let's get back into the editor here. We've got one of the objects is named button 1. It's add an event listener. So adding an event listener. So listening for the event of a click. And when it gets clicked, then the event that we want to happen is running the function, passing in the event object, and then we're going to handle and add in some additional content here. So what we want to pass, so setting up a temporary object, and then within this temporary object we want to pass through the result, and the result is going to be a click of the button 1, which is up. So result of up. And for row, the row information is contained within the element object. So we've got the row information. And let's create a new function that's going to handle the sending of the data. Send data, and it's going to pick up the object information that's passed through. And for now, what we'll do is we'll just log out into the console the object information, remove out the other console values that we've got. So we've got a completely clear console, save it. So we've got nothing in the console right now. So whenever the button gets clicked, we're going to pass the value of temp into the object, and then that's going to handle the post to the server, to the Google Apps script. So whenever we click up, we're passing over the row information as well as what button got clicked. In addition, let's do it for button 2, and this is going to be the down button, and the same information that we're passing through. So the down button as well gets set up and clicked, and it's going to as well pass through the down values into the page. So coming up next, we're going to make the post request to the server with the information from the event listeners. So that's still to come in the next lesson. So updating the send data, and then we'll update and create an endpoint that's going to receive the post within the Google Apps script. So that's all still yet to come. Go ahead and add in the event listeners on your buttons, and you're ready to move on to the next lesson.